Welcome to our channel, friends. How are you all? I hope you are doing fine and having fun in your life. Today we are making a very quick and easy to make Mother Day's card. You need only a few items for this. Take a 5 by 5 inches paper and cut into the heart shape. I have a floral print paper. You can take any color, and a lilac color sheet and a pink color card paper. I've cut the same heart shape. The base card is a little wider, while the other is the same that I'm using as a stencil. Then I have taken a purple color sheet, a piece of purple color sheet, and tie it. And also I'm using baby pink color ribbon. I glued a ribbon on the back of the paper and then tie it into this shape. After this, I pasted this shape on the on our heart shape card. So this will go like this. It is almost done. At the end, I have taken two circular shapes and written "Love You, Mom" with golden marker and stick it on the card in this way. So in this way, a very quick and simple to make Mother Day card is ready, and I hope you people will like it. If you like our video, then also subscribe our channel and share it with your friends as well. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.